Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to use the Pinduoduo app in English. At the moment there is no option inside the app to change the language. The app is fully in Chinese, but you can still understand everything by using a simple translation method on your phone. First, open the Pinduoduo app on your phone. Once the app is open, browse normally and go to the page where you want to buy a product or where you want to read more information. Now you need to take a screenshot of this page. On most phones, you can do this by pressing the power button and the volume up button at the same time. If this button combination does not work on your phone, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick menu. In this menu, look for the screenshot option and tap on it. The phone will capture the screen. After taking the screenshot, open your gallery or Photos app. Find the screenshot you just took. When the image is open, look for the Google Lens button. This button usually looks like a small square camera icon. Tap on the Google Lens button. Once Google Lens opens, you will see several options at the bottom. Tap on the Translate option. Google Lens will automatically detect that the text is in Chinese. Within a few seconds, the text on the screenshot will change to English. You can now read product names, prices, descriptions, and buttons in English. Thanks for watching.